I've been working in EI for about 3.5 years now. I graduated from the University of Limerick with an undergraduate degree in applied physics and a PhD in electrochemistry. Since joining the company, I've been able to use much of what I've learnt in college within the various functions throughout the factory. I've been able to use the physics for the smoke detection and optical chamber development, and the electrochemistry for the development of new CO sensors. I really enjoy working here because of the freedom that I've been given since joining, and I'd recommend it to anyone who has a science or engineering degree.
Another great thing about working in EI is the lack of a commute. It's 11 minutes from my door to where I work every morning, which is really, really good. Also within a half an hour you have Limerick and Ennis, which is really good for shopping. You have the Wild Atlantic Way on your doorstep with the cliffs of Moher. The airport is right there beside you. You could finish work at 4 o'clock on a Friday and be on a flight at 5 o'clock. That's what I really enjoy about EI.
EI is a very global company. We have 6 different subsidiaries around the world. The US and the UK are 2 of them, using the dollar and the pound, and this creates exciting and challenging opportunities working with exchange rate, and it's very exciting to work in EI with these challenges.
It's a very friendly environment working here. I've developed a lot of close relationships over the years. We have a great laugh every day. Even though we're keeping the head down and getting the work done, it's quite a friendly environment. It's also a family-orientated environment. My mother used to work here, my daughter now works here. I have a few nephews and nieces working here too. There's almost a full packet of us working here at this stage.
I'm very fortunate that I have a fantastic work-life balance because of working in EI. It allows me more time to spend with my family, both after work and at weekends. Gives me more time to do what I want to do, which is play sport and be active within the community. I know that regardless if I have a problem, I can knock on anyone's door, and that's including Mick, the CEO of the company. If I have a problem, he's going to drop what he's doing and he's going to listen and try solve them problems for me. And that's throughout the company, and I think it's a very important aspect of the culture within EI.
You really wouldn't think EI has been around for 30 years. It really has a unique work environment in the fact that every day is different. There's so much innovation and teamwork and so many different things that you can get involved in.
I would say that EI is very much a family. It might sound corny, but that's a word that a lot of people have used. I'm reminded of an expression I've heard that it's a little bit like Hotel California. You can check out, but you can never leave. And what they mean by that is that even though you retire, you're still encouraged to come back and keep in touch with the company.
One of the most striking things about EI as a company is that since our inception over 30 years ago, we've been successful in keeping all of the manufacturing jobs here at our headquarters in Shannon. That means our research and development, engineering, manufacturing, sales and marketing, finance and HR, all of those functions are centralised here. So, in fact, we're a global multinational company. We're also, in parallel with that, one of Ireland's most successful Indigenous manufacturers and exporters of electronics products. So what does this mean as an employee? Well, it means you can work in a successful, growing company that operates on a world stage, but it also means you can locate here in Ireland's Midwest, which offers unparalleled work-life balance and also great career advancement opportunities. So we're always looking for new talent. This could be the place for you, so come talk to us.